So another great hip dominant exercise, as opposed to the deadlift or the Romanian deadlift, is what's known as the good morning exercise. Now this is quite a niche exercise. Not a lot of people tend to perform this in the gym, but it is a fantastic exercise if performed correctly. Now, like any exercise, including the deadlift and the RDL, there is a risk factor that if it isn't done correctly, there is the chance of injury occurring. But if performed correctly, this is a fantastic exercise to have in your arsenal. So it's a hip dominant exercise, just like the deadlift is. I'm going to demonstrate it with the barbell here. And just as we do with the deadlift and the RDL, we're going to make sure we have a neutral spine. We're going to make sure that our core is engaged, a big breath into the belly and lock that breath in to create the intra-abdominal pressure. That will stabilise the spine and the core. The difference with this exercise is, rather than taking the bar from this position here in the RDL, we're going to actually have the bar loaded on our back. So almost like we're about to take a back squat. We're going to get our feet in a comfortable position. It's probably going to be somewhere around hip width apart, maybe a little bit further. And just like the RDL, we're going to break at the hips and keep our spine neutral and rigid, keep our core engaged, and we're just going to allow ourselves to fall forward whilst keeping that tension. So big breath into the belly, and then break at the hips, allowing ourselves to come forward. And from here, whilst I've kept that neutral spine, I'm then going to drive the feet into the floor and drive my hips forward. Okay? So we're not just driving the feet into the floor like we would on a deadlift, but we're also going to drive the hips back through and forward. Okay? I'll show you one more time. Okay, so that is how you perform the good morning. Again, it's a fantastic exercise to have in your arsenal, as opposed to just having deadlifts and RDLs. It's a great hip dominant exercise. The prime mover are the glutes, but again, we have to make sure that we're engaging the core and we're stable throughout the whole body. So hopefully now you know how to do the good morning, and you can integrate that into the training sessions.